Hi guys and welcome back to So What, and today we will be diving into my bodysuit block pattern that is available on my Etsy store, link in the description below. We'll be cutting and slashing the pattern to achieve this sexy, high-waisted bikini look. The pattern comes with a front pattern, back pattern, sleeve pattern, and neckband. Go ahead and make a copy of the front and the back and the neck so that you don't ruin your original pieces when altering the pattern. I'll go ahead and quickly sketch out the design on a croquis. Since I have those vertical lines, those will really help accentuate the neck area and the bust area, and the high-waisted will make you look really nice and curvy and show off your best assets. Now you can use a curved ruler if you have one, or you can just freehand this, but we will draw a line starting the middle of the shoulder to the bottom of the armhole. The next curved line that we will draw starts just below the waistline and goes all the way to the bottom of the crotch. Now go ahead and cut that pattern out. Now go ahead and place the front piece that we just altered on top of the back piece and mark the point at the shoulder. And now go ahead and make a curved line starting from the midpoint of the shoulder to the bottom of the armhole. And now mark the waist point and mark another curved line going from the bottom of the waistline to the bottom of the crotch. Go ahead and cut this piece out as well. Since this is a high-waisted bikini thong, I don't need the back crotch to be that long, and depending on the height of your torso, you will cut out a desired length. I cut out about 1 inch to make it fit tight and snug. Go ahead and cut out the front of the bikini on the fold and make sure you're using a 4-way stretch fabric. cut the back piece on the fold as well. Now at this point, if you think the crotch width is too big, you can go ahead and cut out a little bit more of the crotch line, but be strategic and cut the same amount from the back and the front so that it all lines up at the end. I'll do this to the front and back piece. Cut out the neckband on the fold as well. Pin the shoulders and the sides together. And sew them together. It should look something like this. Pin the neckband as shown in the video. and sew. Now fold the neckband in half and pin the center back and the center front together. Now go ahead and line up the bodice at the shoulder seam so that you can mark the center back and the center front of the bodice. You want to do this so that you can line up the center front of the neckband to the center front of the bodice and the center back of the neckband to the center back of the bodice. Go ahead and pin the entire neckband to the outside, which is the right side of the bodice. Go ahead and sew, and it should look something like this. To finish the leg hole, you will take an elastic of your choice that is narrow enough to be zigzag stitched along the length of the leg hole. You will zigzag stitch this on the wrong side of the fabric and then fold it over and zigzag stitch it again. I have a cover stitch machine, so I'll go ahead and do that on both sides. A cover stitch definitely gives it a nice finished look. Go ahead and finish the armhole the same exact way. Again, yours will be done with a zigzag stitch if you don't have a cover stitch machine. Now just fold the bottom piece a 1/4 inch and zigzag stitch it. Do a better job than what I did, but it should look something like this. Now you're ready to sew a couple of snaps on the right side of the crotch. And your high-waisted bikini thong is ready for the sun. Once again, you guys, this bodysuit block pattern is available for download on my Etsy store, so go ahead and click the link in the description below. Go ahead and purchase the pattern and create some beautiful, unique bikini designs. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.